Welcome back everybody, Steven from Break Free Homestead. Today's video, we're going to be changing these 1x8s, 1x4s, 1x3s into a simple shelf that you can make. So let's change this into this. I'm Steven with Break Free Homestead. I do tutorials, woodworking projects, working on our property to expand our homestead. If you would consider subscribing down below, I would greatly appreciate it. New videos every Friday. Make sure you drop down below when you subscribe, hit the bell notifications. So what we're gonna do is, this is a 10-foot board. I'm gonna rip it into an 8-foot piece for one shelf, and then we're gonna make another separate 2-foot piece. It's gonna be another smaller shelf for above the kid's bed. These are gonna be for Legos. If you're a parent, you know that when the kids build Legos and they want to leave these things all over the place, it's just a disaster. So we're gonna build some shelves and they can put them up on there, and we don't have to worry about our little ones destroying their Legos and dealing with that whole fiasco. But we'll use the 4-inch as the back on the wall, and then we'll just angle the 3-inch to give it the support. So we just got our back places cut. They're angled so it'll finish towards the wall, look a little bit nicer than just being a 90. And then our supports. So for example, on our 2-foot board here, we're gonna have the back support right there, like that. And then we'll just tack up the supports like that. It'll be pretty simple. We're just gonna use an air gun for this, and it'll look pretty nice. All right, we got all of our pieces sanded down, 220. Just set them all up on the table. I put some wood under it so it wouldn't, when we stain both sides at the same time, it'll just sit on the wood instead of resting on my paint tarp. This should be pretty good. Make sure you mix this. We're using the Minwax Classic Gray. If you don't stir it, it's gonna come out a different color each time. All right, all my pieces are stained. We're gonna let them dry, and then we'll apply some spray-on polyurethane, and then it'll be good. We'll assemble it and then get it up mounted on the wall. They're done drying. Now what we're gonna do is, it's gonna be the backing on the wall at the ends, and then every 16 inches on the stud. We'll just tack that in with the nail and then hit it with the 45 piece right there. This will be centered, and it should make it look pretty nice. thank you everybody for watching this simple shelf build. It's really affordable. Wouldn't cost you that much to build this shelf. Like this 10-foot piece, I got 2 shelves. It's a mini shelf and a large shelf. Definitely nice to have, and the kiddo sure is gonna be happy that she can put her Legos up here now and the little one won't break it. About 85% of my viewers are not subscribed. If you would go down below, hit that subscribe button, maybe the like button if it helped you out a little bit, I would really appreciate it. See you next time on Break Free Homestead.